Welcome to Charles GPT YouTube channel. Mm, so this is our fourth tutorial. We are still working with a potentiometer, a pot pin or rotation pin, or anything you want to call it, and an RGB. So these are probably our last tutorials on this. And please stay consistent because I started coding when I was 16. I just had the passion. I wanted to learn how to create games, how things worked, and so I believe that everyone can learn how to code. It's not a must that it's your program, or let's say maybe you say, I'm not studying programming, or I'm not doing this, or so you can just learn it. It's You can work remotely and still be doing other things. There are many good things that come out with learning how to program or learning a very good programming skills. So for this, we are going to be working with port pin, or you can call it rotation pin. So our previous connections, same thing, but I will give you guys time to look into the connections again. Make your connections exactly the same way, because if you make any mistake on this, you are going to ruin everything and it won't work properly how you expect it to work. So the once you're through with the connections, then we'll kick off with everything. Make sure, I say it again, make sure that it's accurate. Don't make any mistakes with the correct connections. You can take a picture of it and make sure it gets exactly the same connections with me, so you won't make mistakes. Okay, later on, make sure you subscribe. I will make sure to tell everyone how the connections work and why it's that way, why it's analog, 5V, GND, and every other thing. So you can see our components here, right here. So this is what we are working with, the RGB, yeah, this. So we are still going to be working with many of these as times goes on, but we are starting with easy projects that you can work on. So yeah, that's it. Let's go to the code. So for my code, you go right here, and remember we are using the text, not blocks or block text. And make sure you have downloaded your Tinkercad. You can see it at this Tinkercad. Make sure it's like this, exactly like this, just like a cube. Red, orange, green, light green, yellow, blue, and light, just like this. Exactly this Tinkercad. We are working with circuits, not 3Ds or what else. Don't worry, you'll see what I mean when you download this. Circuits, we are working with circuits, not 3Ds. So make sure you do this so you can write your code and use it to operate real life projects and things like that. So the same connection we did as my third video. Okay, so we are printing something to the serial monitor. I'll just close this. So we are printing a message to the serial monitor. That's why in our setup void setup, it's begin serial dots begin 9600 for serial dots begin. And the pin mode, rotation pin is an input, so it doesn't output any values. It's just working inside the breadboard. So RGB, LED, and most of them, even buzzer, we're going to still go on those, but they're all outputs. So this the P mode. Make sure you do this for your void setup, but I'll still be posting the code in my comment section. So this is the void loop. What we are trying to create now is that I need to give the serial monitor a color to display using this port pin. So I've I've written down the bytes for the port pin. So for alphabets and how it matches with the port pin. So for R in red, it has a byte of 82 and 144. So for R in red, it has a byte of 82 and 144. So either small r or capital R. I think small r is 82 and capital R is 144. Same for the green. Small g is 71 and this is 103. Oh, sorry, I forgot to zoom this in so you guys can see the code. So I'll just zoom it in. I think it is fine. Now move this. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Move. Move. What the fuck? Okay. So let me just move this right here and open the code again. Yeah, it's cool now. So that's it. So a lowercase g is 71, uppercase 103, then lowercase b is blue 66 and 98. So mixtures, you can see cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. So you can tell the the port pin what you want it to display using the values. This time we're not working with rotation or rotating the port pin or anything like that. No, we just need to use this serial monitor, type in color the color we want to see for the RGB, and it just displays. When I start simulation, you understand better what I mean. So make sure to try your code yourself, but I'll be posting it in the comment section as I said earlier. So you can just work on it, do your editing, have fun, and yeah, you'll be good and you'll be great one day. So once I start this simulation, yeah, so it doesn't do anything for now. So if I should just press R red, either with small case or uppercase, lowercase or uppercase, it still gives red. So if I should send this, I received 144, it shows red. So let me try uppercase. You see, I think uppercase red will be 71 or something. Oh, 82. I received 82, it still shows red. So if I should do green, G, green, I received 103. If I do green, uppercase green, G, I received 71, it still shows green. Let's quickly try all the colors. B with upper or lowercase. I received 66, it shows blue. What other color do I have? Yellow, Y. So I received 89, shows yellow. Any case you need. And what else should I do? I think white is there. I don't know if white will work. Oh, white worked. It shows it's white. Just look at this light here. So what else? Which other color? I think cyan. C. Let me try C. Cyan. So you can see the color changed a little bit. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Just clear this. Okay. The color changed a little bit. Was wrong. Okay. So magenta M. So if I should send magenta in, why is this getting problem? Magenta. Oh, let me send it again. I don't know, maybe it's my lights. I need to focus out of this. Okay, it's good. Then magenta in. Oh, oh, can't it receive value? Okay, wait, I think it's this thing. Oh, later I'll check it. So that's the functionality of the projects. So you can change it, but if you enter any other value that is not part of your white, cyan, magenta, red, blue, green, it gives invalid. That is what this invalid is for. This invalid is for. So, okay, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I'll be dropping the code down in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and so you can get more of my videos. and more projects you can work with real life practices. Okay,